Welcome back to the Cravings. Today we are cooking something super easy, budget friendly, and full of comfort spam and veggie stir mix with herbs. Let's start by heating a little oil in the pan, then add your spam cubes. Make sure to cut them evenly para maganda ang pagkakaprito. Fry the spam until it turns golden brown and slightly crispy on the edges. This brings out its smoky, salty flavor and it adds that perfect bite. Once done, set them aside and in the same oil, add butter. Then saute garlic until fragrant, followed by chopped onions. Now we add the veggies. Let's start with cubed carrots. The carrots will really give a nice natural sweetness to our mixed veggies. After about 2 minutes, toss in the potatoes. Let them absorb all that flavor as they soften. After about 5 more minutes, when the potatoes are nearly tender, pour in the green peas. Let's just get back a little bit to our basic. Did you know? Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is good for the eyes. Potatoes give us energy and potassium. Green peas are high in protein and fiber. And a little later, we are using herbs like basil and rosemary, which are known to support digestion and even help reduce inflammation. Now it's time to season. Add a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, then sprinkle with dried basil and rosemary. And these herbs don't just add flavor, they bring warmth, depth, and a beautiful aroma that makes the dish feel extra special. So yes, this dish may be simple, but it's packed with nutrition and made with a whole lot of love. Each spoonful is savory and herby, perfect with rice or even on its own. Now, return the cooked spam to the pan and mix everything well. This is real food, lutong bahay na abot kaya. Masustansya at talagang nakakabusog ng katawan at puso. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Cravings for more easy home-cooked dishes and wholesome favorites. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.